typical day for me when I'm shooting Beat Bobby Flay goes something like this. I wake up 5 o'clock in the morning, I go downstairs to the gym or out on the West Side Highway, and I run about 3.5 miles just to rev this body up, because I know I'm gonna have a 2-show shoot day. I need a running start, and I've been a runner my whole life, so running is the way I get my body going. I then come back upstairs to my apartment, I take a shower, I feed my cats, I make a pot of coffee, I jump in the car, and I come to work. I get to my dressing room, I'm in hair and makeup and wardrobe for about an hour or so. I get mic'd up, and then it's showtime. Then I do my first show. In between both shows is about an hour and 20 minutes where, like, if I'm hungry, I have, a light bite to eat. It could be a turkey sandwich. I eat a lot of soup, like chicken broth, and then I start all over again. New wardrobe, new show, let's go. Then I shoot the second show, done around 5, back in the car, I go home. Usually I have like a meeting or two. It's like basically 4 weeks of shooting. Monday through Friday, 5 days a week, 2 shows a day. So it's 10 shows a week, 4 weeks equals 40 shows.